And on the Healthwatch, February is American Heart Month. And the most recent advancement in heart surgery is happening here in South Florida. Thanks to the help of a robot, doctors at Mount Sinai say open heart surgery is now less invasive and healing time is faster than ever before.
There's a blockage there.
It's the latest breakthrough in heart surgery, and it may sound like something in a hospital of the future.
It is just really the addition of the robot to cardiac surgery that is now novel in our hands.
At Mount Sinai Medical Center, doctors are performing heart surgery with the help of a robot. It's called the Vinci.
And we actually go in using a series of small incisions. We actually can put the robotic ports and the instruments go into the chest. Then working from a remote console, the robot has the ability to mimic the motion of my hands and fingers. So whatever I can do with my hands out here, moving it in all planes, the robot can mimic that motion precisely.
A camera attached to the arms of the robot provides surgeons with a 3D view. And this cutting-edge technology is now available to patients, helping them get back to their daily routine sooner and with less pain.
I came into the surgery room smiling. Yeah, I say, okay, let's do it. Because I have the only chance that I have.
Guillermo Chia had the procedure done to treat a blockage in his heart.
I have to trust because I know the quality of the doctors that works here.
He says it took about a week to get back to his routine.
Conventional open heart surgery means open incision. It therefore means a longer recovery and restrictions.
Typically, it can take up to 2 months to be back to normal activities. With the robotic surgery, it's only 3 or 4 weeks. The result is less trauma, less complications, less pain, improved cosmetic outcome, and overall quicker recovery.
The robot is getting much more refined. As we get more experience with the robot with heart surgery for bypass, we are then going to be looking to expand that potentially to valve procedures and other more complex heart operations.
The only facility in South Florida utilizing the technology, they're on the forefront of something they hope to see branch into other areas of medicine.
This is the unique hospital here in the South Florida that is performing this surgery, and I recommend it.
Well, the surgeons say this is a real advancement in now being able to offer this life-saving surgery to diabetic or obese patients, as well as other medical problems that make them too high risk for open heart surgery.
Very interesting.
Isn't it interesting?
Saving
And what
lives.
technology can do now?
We have it here.